So you can see that that right there is part of the Broadway, right there. Sorry, Galaxy. So it's kind of a new addition. What we're going to be doing in a minute is we're going to be going down this street right here, and we're just kind of giving a little preview because I can see that. And we're basically in this little park, and this is a pretty major tourist attraction area, and you can see a lot of tourists around today as well. So so we're going to walk directly up that way. Hey, check out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. So yeah, the lights are just coming on, so you can just kind of see the top of that. If we were, I guess if we were on the other side of those buildings, we could see the that little kind of cool space of that Galaxy. So maybe what we'll try to do is we'll see if we can catch it from a different angle. But anyways, this is Taipa Barbosa. I can barely pronounce that. But actually that's not our target street. Our target street is going to be up this way just a little bit. Check that out. They sweep it. So this is going to be our target street right there. You can see a temple and the lights are just starting to come down as well. And then we also have Taipa Village. This is Taipa Village already, but we got a little labyrinth and stuff on the other side of this building. And then our, let me just highlight that real quick. There's basically a bunch of these little stores everywhere, with these narrow little alleys everywhere. So it's kind of interesting to film here. But and we might tap into it again in a minute. But our focus is going to be this Rua Correia de Silva. That's a nice little plaza right in there though. So this is going to be our focus street. And we're going to come around here for a second. And then that's actually our sign. Rua Correia de Silva. And it's kind of marked by this Chinese restaurant as well. So this Chinese restaurant and then this little temple are, this one actually has a rooftop. I'll show you on the other side. And we got a nice little temple in here too. Okay, so what we're gonna do next is we're gonna head on over to around the corner. So that's the temple, and then we're gonna basically go down Correia de Silva, and we're gonna basically go around like this, then we're gonna go straight down that way. And then you're gonna be able to see this kind of interesting thing, because that right there, which is this little mountain right there, one of those trees fell down once, and it landed on this restaurant. I think we'll be able to see it. We'll try to see if we can or not. Let me just try to get across this in a moment. So let me run across here real quick. Yeah, so this little building right here, there's a little window right there. You'll see it in a second. You have some other kind of beautiful looking buildings as well. Just walk up here real quick. So a little bit of museum. So that right there, so there's a this right here and that right there. So that actually had a tree that fell and broke that right there, that little window right there. But there's also like a little spot you can sit. So this restaurant is kind of cool. It's kind of a mostly Chinese tourists will come here, mainland Chinese tourists. But it has such a great little window up there and a nice sitting arrangement. And in the past, where that all that plastic is at, you'll see. Let me just see if we can. We just try to go across real quick. Try to capture that building as well. So this one they got fish, and then you can actually go up into that space up there. So let's just kind of try to capture that again. We're gonna come back over here. Look, there's a lady up on the roof up there. She's right there. Okay, so we're gonna head back on up. And then that restaurant right there. So that one was actually a tree fell on it, probably from that mountain behind it. But that whole space was always like an open space, and it you used to be able to see like liquor bottles and kind of cool stuff just kind of resting against the window. It looks like this is all plastic now, so maybe it's looks like they repaired it, and maybe it's set to go again soon. But anyways, we're on Correia de Silva. There's a little pork chop bun place. Oh, that looks really popular today. Oh, okay. So this looks like it has pork chop buns and chicken, eggs. Okay, so let's keep on going. Correia de Silva. That one goes down to Old Taipa Tavern, and today's also a holiday as well. So I don't know. Usually these would be more lively right in here. Huh. Strange. Okay. So we're gonna keep on walking down our Target Street. It's a nice little sign. Chancha. So this one sells type of tea. Okay, let's go across this way. Check out this building. This is it says Taipa Museum, and then you got kind of that cool looking whitish black building right there as well. So that one kind of goes in a little bit. And then we kind of got some more down here. So we actually got some rooftops. So we can see a rooftop right there. There, that green one. So these, all three of those are rooftops. And there's also one that's over here too. So we're gonna catch that in a second as well. Let me just kind of capture this real quick. Taipa Museum. That's kind of interesting as well. It's kind of a design shop. And this one is a little Travessa de Felicidade, and that one kind of has that architecture like that. Okay, so we're going to continue on. Let's see. This is Travessa de Santa Gertrudes. I always like this one. It's actually somebody lives here. I've seen them coming in and out once before. It's kind of interesting. But in here we start getting into little taverns kind of stuff. And we did see it on the other one as well. Villa Taipa. It's one of the rooftop ones. So we're gonna go down. Full moon. I guess we'll take a look at this real quick. It's really popular today. Okay, so we're gonna head on out. Oh, this is the one I was gonna share. So this one right here is where it gets really photogenic in here. Especially these street lights like that. And if you capture the street lights like that. And I guess what we're gonna do is we're gonna go down slightly. And we're just gonna walk in here slightly as well. So basically in here you kind of have all these little alleys and lanes. And you kind of got those kind of cool looking houses right there as well. So we're gonna head back out to our main street. Yeah, that restaurant right there, straight ahead, they also have a rooftop right there. So you can order Indian food from Goa. And then right here you got some more alleys. I think that's called Bem Casados. Dos Bem Casados. So that one is like a little narrow street in here. There it goes. Okay. So we are going to try to go across. There's a gotta.
Bro, I watched your vlog.
Go at night.
I saw you. I watched your vlog.
That's good, guys. I love this place upstairs. It's good that I say hello sometimes. Okay. So hello to him. That's cool that he watches the channel. I think whenever I walk by that restaurant, I always point out that they have the a balcony upstairs that you can. Should have went up there. Should have brought the camera up there. The video's a little bit. It might be a little too long if I do, but in retrospect, I probably should have went up there and said, "Hey, can I get a quick view?" So there's our Target Street. That's kind of cool. They got a rope right there to block the traffic. So, okay, we got a real busy street right in here. Huh. I should go back and film from that view. It's got a new kosho. Yeah, because a lot of times when I walk these streets, I usually talk about the views you can get from. So maybe we'll just we'll conclude with a nice. We're just gonna go up there. We'll see if he lets me go up there. I'm sure he will. Yeah. So we're gonna get up there and get a nice view. I'm gonna see if can I go up there?
Bro, 6 p.m.
6 p.m.
Yeah, open.
Can I just do a quick camera view?
Someone is sleeping there.
Oh, somebody's sitting there. It's okay. Another time.
Maybe 6 p.m. can come up.
Okay. Thank you. So yeah, somebody's eating there now. But yeah, I definitely am gonna come up there another time, and I'm gonna I think 6 p.m. Put that right there, so you can see that spot right there. So that view right there, you can kind of get this amazing view all the way up and down. So okay. So anyways, lastly, I just kind of conclude this giant rock. One of my friends, he was like, he remembers this street when he first came to Macau. He's a Portuguese guy, he's been here for about 20 years. But he said, yeah, he thought that rock was so strange that there's a giant rock in the road. And I never really thought about it. But now that he mentioned that, and I walk by it and I think about it, and I was like, yeah, it's kind of interesting, there's a giant rock in the road. Okay, so we're gonna end right there. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.